I got a slightly different video. This one's going to be based on restoral of a vintage heater. Let's get in on it. I haven't plugged it in or tested it yet. I have put the new cable on. We've got it wired into a 16 amp spur down the bottom there. Anyone remember these? It's a bit commonplace in pubs and clubs and little areas like that. And if I can get in on that without this thing flipping. There you go. Have a look at that. Should we turn it on? See if it works. Be rude not to, wouldn't it? Not sure that's on. Oh, it works. Yeah, it works. Oh, blimey, yeah, there's a good bit of heat coming out of that already. Bloody hell. Oh, blimey. Yeah, there's a good whack of heat coming out of it already. Damn! You hot, nice? Yeah. Baking. Yeah, what is it? 21 degrees out here and I got a heater on. That's commitment, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a grafter, man. Any of you guys can help me on getting the age on this thing, how old it is, man. It is bloody old. Gotta fix the bike light mount there. Hang on. Take it down there, set mice. Right on the grass. Yeah, I gotta fix the mount on it. The bike light mount. Gonna tidy it up. Thinking a new paint job. So yeah, it's a bit worse for wear, this one is. Cool there, man. Nice little vintage heater. I might have this set up in the gazebo for bonfire night and things like that on the cold nights. Yeah. Or maybe in the shed. Replace that one. Have a little switch on it so it blows hot and cold. There you go, job done. Guys, I'll give you another update on this when it's painted off. Yeah, let's turn it off and watch some smoke come from it actually. So I can smell some burning on it. Any smoke? Yeah, bit of smoke. Bloody hell. Yeah, guys, if you can give me any info on how old this thing is. There's no info on the tab. That's all. See if we can get that on there for you. So you can actually see it is a 13 kilowatt. Sorry, a 3 kilowatt. 13 kilowatt, as if. Nice, man. I like it. Phone won't focus on it now. Oh, I hate this phone. Ah! Yay! There you go. So pause that, guys, and have a read. My phone's gone upside down again. Yeah, nice piece of kit, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. We'll hopefully have this thing up and painted and installed properly.